Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to unarchive here in Clickup. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Clickup, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Unarchiving here in Clickup is a straightforward process that would allow you to restore any tasks, subtasks, and related data so the team can pick up where they left off. Now, in here, for example, this task right here, if I wanted to unarchive this one, all I'm gonna do is, of course, you might want to archive it first by clicking on the three dots right here. And for example, you have archived this by accident or by intention. One option is click the undo button for you to be able to unarchive the data or the task. You see, that's one way. Now, the next option is, now I want you to exit the task earlier since it's already archived. All right, go to the filters here where you can filter the task. All right, so it's filtered by status, but you can click on the archive. You see, as you can see, this is going to be the way for you to show or go to the section where you can see the archive items. Now, there's going to be an option here that says archive all in this group. When you archive task with status D flaps, it removes it from view but allows you to restore it at any time, and all tasks are preserved and are still searchable. Now, all I'm going to do is click on archive and archive, and that's the way you do it. All right. The next option is going to go to your search settings. All right. For example, type in any command, and there's going to be an option here. You see, wherein you have to filter all archive data. Right, so that's three ways. You can also hover to the upper right corner where you can go to the settings. In the settings right here, you can simply hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the spaces, because on the spaces you'll be able to see the archive option here. All right, so these are going to be the options for you to unarchive items. And of course, by doing so, it can help you retrieve any tasks for auditing purposes, especially if a project or task needs to be reviewed as part of a compliance check or audit. Unarchiving the relevant data ensures everything is available for inspection. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.